Okay, let's start in the entryway. I wanted to start here. Sorry guys for all the noise. My neighbors are doing their roof and my door is open. That's how I can show you guys my entryway. But I wanted to start over here on this table, which I love. On top right here, we have a mirror from IKEA, and here we keep our shoes. Stay tuned for my 3 or 4 years of minimalism video, because I'm going to go into depth in what was here previously and how I switched things around. But for now, since this is a spring house tour, we're not going to go that much into detail. I want to get you guys out of the noise area. Here I have a little bowl which I keep keys and sunglasses for Hapster, hubby and I, and just made it very simple here. Added this little, people call it David statue or Caesar statue, I don't know. And with some candles. I love candles. You're gonna see candles everywhere in the house. And just made it here very light and airy, and removed everything that is bulky and dark, and just kept it here very simple. When you're standing in the living room, this is what you see in the entryway. Very simple. Love the floating shelf or slash cabinet, and we have some family pictures right here. Let's go into the living room. I'm standing by the kitchen area, but I'm going to turn around and show you guys the kitchen. But when you're standing by the kitchen area, this is what you see as a wide view. Let's go closer. So this is new. I love this wall art right here for spring. It just makes the place feel very, you know, grand. Before there was nothing there, and it was okay. We've been with that for a while, and that was okay for me, but I wanted something different, so I decided to add this wall art right here, which I love. On top of that wall art, we have a little how do you call it, picture light, which I love. Right now you can't really tell that it's on and off because it's bright daylight. So lighting up over here, I have this beautiful rug, which is from Ross. I love the color because this is a high traffic area. So us having this right here, you don't have to worry about, you know, it being dirty. However, we do not wear shoes in my house. I prefer it that way. So I just went in my neighborhood outside, grabbed some real plants. These are actually not full, these are real, and I love them. The bright is scent over here. I love the yellow peeking through, just you know, bringing the outside in. It's basically talking about spring, saying that spring is here. And on top of the table, have some greenery, just simple green that I got from Hobby Lobby a few years back. There was 3 balls, but one of them failed, and in the garage we stepped on it while driving. So I love this candle. It smells so good. It's called Luminous Oasis by Portfolio. It smells so good, and it's very inexpensive as well. To light up here for spring, guys, usually my couch is over here where the chairs are, but I swapped them around. I love rearranging furnitures, and usually that couch is also upstairs, and the gray one is over here. If you're familiar with my home, but I switched it and brought it up here just to bring some light down here. And this couch is a little bit more smaller than the one upstairs, which I like. And just added just some nice candle and switched the throw blanket from that chunky throw blanket that we had used here from spring and winter. I'm sorry, fall and winter, or switched it to this black and white throw blanket. And I just love it. Even though it's spring, it can get a little bit chilly, so you can grab this and literally you know, wrap yourself on it as you're watching TV. This is the overview of the living room, and I just love the simplicity of the living room. Finally, guys, I brought my curtain up, all the way up, which I love because my curtain was like on the floor. I didn't like that very much. So I brought it all the way up, which I love. It just makes it, the window feel so much taller. This is one of my favorite area as well in the house. Prior to getting to the kitchen, this is what you see. I love this wall art. Got it from I believe Ross, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, I think Ross. Yeah, I love it. Love the simplicity of this wall art. And just on the table here, I just went with the rule of 3. I don't really follow that very much, but I just wanted to have something right here that is very light and airy, and I added some, these are full, what is it called, stems, and some real moss right here, and yeah, some candles. I told you guys I love candles. I think candles brighten places up. So fall, spring, whatever, I have candles everywhere. So guys, prior to reaching the kitchen, we have this area right here, which again, added some candles. This has not changed very much, but I'm looking for some real stems so I can replace it with this one. But I like the color where it's a little bit warm and light. I like that color, you know, reminds me of springtime. It literally looks like my tree that is outside, but I don't want to keep cutting up my tree unless it's overgrown and it needs a little bit of trimming. So that's why I haven't touched that tree. But yeah, I just added some candles right here. So now we're in the kitchen area, and this is very simple. There's not much there. Just added some full florals for spring. I still have my pamper grass on top of my pantry. I just kept here very simple and clean. Even though it's minimal, it doesn't mean it has to be boring. So just adding some florals and some candles just to spruce up the place. You know, I just love the simplicity. I love those chairs. These are new chairs. If you haven't seen my previous video, I'm gonna go ahead and pin it, or what is it called? Bring it down the description below, and you can take a look at it when I did a tour of the kitchen. But I just love the simplicity here with the florals and then the candles in the back. I have some dishes in the sink, guys. This is real life, so pardon me.
Was it all just a dream, just all in my head? Floating rivers upstream, the thing.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. I pray this video has inspired you to keep it simple, live minimalist. And minimalism, it is not a trend, okay? It's not a fad. It is not going anywhere. It's a lifestyle. No one tells anybody that they're tired of living minimalist. No, because minimalism, you know, it's just the way you live. It's your everyday thing, you know. So hopefully this video has inspired you to live in that manner. And if you're not subscribed here, I encourage you to do so. For those who do not or not subscribe, you're probably not going to see me again, because the way the algorithm with YouTube works, it's so weird. You will see a video today and you might not even see me again, because it doesn't, you know, it doesn't bring me back again. So all you can do is subscribe and click on the notification bell. Actually, clicking on the notification bell is not a slogan, it's actually a real thing, because YouTube will notify you that, hey, Gladys has posted a video, and go and take a look and watch. So please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and I will truly be excited to see you guys in the comments. Oh, I'm so excited to be back. Thank you guys. God bless you guys. See you guys until the next video. Bye bye.